Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Ranjana here from Krishna Sewing Solutions. Today we're going to discuss about single head machines, embroidery machines, as well as the double head and the multi-head embroidery machines. Now usually what happens is the customers are a little confused while buying single head and double head machines. They're not aware of whether a single head machine or a double head machine will be effective or productive for their requirement. Now, I would like to tell you the difference between the two. The machine that you're watching presently is the Ricoma 12018S model, which is a 12 needle and 01 stands for a single head machine. And the other one is the Ricoma MT 1202 model, which means 12 needle again, and the 02 stands for 2 head respectively. Now, we would like to tell you about the control panel. That's the only similarity between these two machines. Now, both the machines have one single control panel. The single head machine, but obvious, will have only one control panel, but even the double head and the multi-head machines have one single control panel. Now, if you talk about the designs, now whatever design you feed in the double head machine, now for both the heads, the same design will work out. The output will be the same. The size will be the same. There won't be a difference. The only thing that you can change in a double head machine is the fabric and the thread color. As compared to that, the single head machines is basically designed mainly for the embroidery kurti lehengas, embroideries on these kind of fabrics. Now, the double head machines are maximum used for the mass production. Now, this is the basic information and the difference between a double head, single head and a multi-head embroidery machines. For more information, stay tuned to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for further videos so that you don't skip out on any of our tutorials. And most important, like, share and comment. Thank you for your time. Thank you.